Most gardeners treat August as the month to pack away their trowels and wait for leaves to fall. For the bulbs on this list, that's exactly backwards. August is the moment to plant the bulbs that will give you the most stunning spring display. The ones that need warm soil to establish roots before winter, that naturalize into drifts of color, and that turn your garden into a showstopper come March and April. Plant them now, while the soil is still warm and roots can establish before the ground freezes. By next spring, you'll have a garden that doesn't just wake up, it explodes.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Snowdrop. Snowdrops are the fearless first responders of spring. Their white, nodding bells break through frozen soil when most beds still look asleep, often emerging while snow is still on the ground. They're the earliest flowers to bloom in late winter or early spring, along with plants like winter aconite and hellebore. These petite plants only grow between 4 to 10 inches tall, and their flowers are quite small. Consider planting bulbs in masses of at least 25 for more visual impact. Once established, they multiply into soft drifts that return every year with almost no maintenance. Plant them in August while the soil is still workable, about 3 inches deep and 3 inches apart, in full-to-part sun with well-drained soil. For the earliest spring color that arrives when nothing else is blooming, snowdrops are the ultimate investment. Number 2. Crocus. Crocuses bring the first streaks of purple, white, and gold to the still frozen garden. They're one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, often popping up while it's still winter. It's not unusual to see them poke their leaves right out of the snow. Crocus bulbs are small, so you can plant a large number of them in a small space. Scatter the bulbs across a lawn or border and plant them where they land for a natural look. These tough little flowers bloom when snow still lingers, feeding early pollinators and lifting spirits long before other plants wake up. Plant them about 3 inches deep and 3 inches apart in full sun to partial shade with well-drained soil. Once established, they naturalize easily and provide an excellent early spring display. Number 3. Grape hyacinth. Grape hyacinths, also called muscari, are the cheerful blue spikes that announce spring has truly arrived. They flower with short spires of tiny, bluish-purple flowers that look like clusters of grapes. These low-maintenance bulbs will grow anywhere from 6 to 9 inches tall. The deep blue blooms create a stunning contrast when planted alongside yellow daffodils or white snowdrops, and they naturalize freely to form larger drifts each year. They thrive in full sun to part sun with moist, well-drained soil. Plant them in August, about 3 to 4 inches deep and 2 to 3 inches apart, and they'll reward you with reliable color year after year with almost no care. For a carpet of blue that keeps coming back, grape hyacinth is the workhorse of the spring bulb garden. Number 4. Daffodil. Daffodils are the quintessential spring bulb, the one that everyone recognizes and everyone loves. They're also one of the most reliable and deer-resistant bulbs you can plant. The classic trumpet types are a good place to start, and they come in an incredible range of colors, from pure white to golden yellow to soft peach. Daffodils are perennials that will naturalize when planted in full sun and soil that drains well. They multiply over time, creating larger drifts of color each spring. Plant them between August and December, and they'll flower from March to May. The planting depth should be about 3 times the height of the bulb, with spacing of about 4 to 6 inches apart. For a spring display that's reliable, stunning, and requires almost no effort, daffodils are the gold standard. Number 5. Hyacinth. Hyacinths are classic spring bulbs that are best planted in the fall. These lovely blooms have the most delightful fragrance, so you'll want to keep them close where you can enjoy their spring perfume. They need a period of chilling to do their best flowering. Plant them about 4 inches deep and 4 inches apart, with the pointed end up. In spring, they'll reward you with substantial stems covered densely in extra fragrant florets. Their vibrant colors and low growth habit make them wonderful for the front of the border. For a spring garden that smells as good as it looks, hyacinths are the one bulb you cannot skip. Number 6. Tulip. For cheery, colorful tulips in spring, plant bulbs in late summer or early fall. These favorite flowers are hardy in zones 3 to 8 and come in almost every color imaginable. Choose a spot with full sun and rich, well-drained soil, and plant bulbs to a depth about 3 times the length of the bulbs. Consider planting tulips, which can grow up to 24 inches tall at maturity, behind shorter flowering bulbs like daffodils or muscari for a layered effect. Plant them in August for a reliable spring display, with bulbs reaching around 45 centimeters tall at full maturity. For a classic spring showstopper that never goes out of style, tulips are the undisputed king of the spring border. Number 7. Allium. Alliums are the architectural wonders of the spring bulb world, the ones that add drama, height, and structure to any border. The large, spherical blooms rise on tall, sturdy stems above the foliage, creating a sculptural presence that's impossible to ignore. Ornamental alliums bloom in late spring to early summer, kicking in just as your tulips are finishing. The purple, white, or pink globes add vertical interest and attract pollinators by the dozen. Plant the bulbs in August or early fall, about 6 to 8 inches deep and 8 to 12 inches apart, in full sun with well-drained soil. For a spring garden that has show-stopping structure and drama, alliums are the bulbs that make people stop and ask what they are. Those are 7 bulbs to plant this August. Not despite the fact that it's late summer, but because it's late summer. The warm soil encourages rapid root establishment before winter, giving these bulbs a head start that spring-planted specimens simply can't match. Don't wait for a better month. This is it. Grab your bulb planter and get them in the ground this weekend. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.